In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer data from your Nintendo Switch to Nintendo Switch 2. So when you're setting up your Switch 2, you'll come across this page. If you want to know exactly what the system transfer entails, you can check it here about system transfers. Now let's start, guys. I'll skip it because I don't have any micro SD. Sign into your Nintendo account. OK. Click on next. Connect an AC adapter to start downloading data. Yes. Now it says move this system and the source Nintendo Switch close to each other. So let's do that, guys. Click on done. And now what we need to do is we need to follow these instructions on our old Switch. So what we need to do now, guys, is we need to go to System Settings, scroll down to System, make sure your Nintendo Switch is up to date, then scroll down, and then what we need to do is here click on System Transfer to Nintendo Switch 2. Next. And if you do this, guys, your data will be transferred to the Nintendo Switch 2.